Okay, here it is. We got to mix this following ingredients. First, cucumber, 2 cups of cucumber, white onions cut into fine rings or slices, just estimate around half, and we will see later on if we need a little bit more. And this I already cut. This lettuce and salad mix, a little bit of carrots in it. This is mixed, so this is 2 cups. Add the tomatoes sliced, which is 1 cup. Strained rice noodles in it. I don't thoroughly toss salt immediately because of the kelp seaweeds. That would be very salty. I will put now salt. It depends on the taste of the kelp seaweeds. Alright, this has to be mixed. Now, for your information, I have here the wakame seaweeds for 75 grams. I already put a little bit sesame oil and a little bit of the chili peppers, so it adds a little bit of taste. Mixing it, 75 grams. Second one, this is also another sort of seaweeds known as kelp, 75 grams. Mix. If you need to lose weight, this is the only way. You don't be hungry immediately, and it's very effective, guys. Losing weight. Really good to be on top. And this is sesame seeds. I nearly could say sesame street, but it means seeds. Alright, that's 1.5 teaspoons. What else? You still need to mix it up all together. I need a little bit of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon. Nearly done. I have here crushed unsalted peanuts, 1/3 cup. And this is lemon juice extract. This 1/2 slice of the lemon. Put it in. Here, pineapple juice, 1/4 cup. Right. I have here salad dressing. This is gonna be for serving. It's only a choice when you need a little bit sweet and sour. This is how I made it. 1/8 cup of white vinegar, 1/8 cup of rice vinegar, 5 teaspoons of brown sugar. So this is the mixture solution. Okay, introducing, this will be for the last part. 2 boiled eggs. And this is pineapple slices. This comes later on the serving. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna serve. Alright, see you then. Now here is the finished product. It looks very delicious, right? Okay, you remember I boiled, rush boiled these carrots and potatoes, and I also stir fried the tuna, mushrooms. These are the ones, and the one that I mix in a mixed bowl here in the middle, and everything all in chronological order. It's like a symmetry. It's beautiful. And here are finishing touches. Okay, a little bit of salt on the sides. Well, we know this is enough salt only on the sides. Okay. Your own preference. If you like more, you can do it more. At least you have the salad dressing next to you. Okay, that's gonna be it. This gonna be it. I call this WAKAME-KELP SEAWEEDS SALADMIX. Very delicious. And if you want to lose weight, this is guaranteed. Okay, our best recipe to lose weight. Ta-da! See you. Bye.